This is Jim Emter of Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with the closing grain and livestock comments for September 25th, 2020. Corn up 1 3/4, beans up 2 1/2, Chicago wheat down 5 1/2, Minneapolis down 5, Kansas City down 7 3/4. On the week, corn market down 13 1/4, beans down 41, Chicago wheat down 30 3/4, Minneapolis down 21 1/2, Kansas City down 29. Corn market right now, bean market, a little bit of liquidation. Keep in mind we had a 4 to 5 week big up move prior to what had occurred. Now a bit of a setback should not come as a surprise. We've got harvest pressure around. We've got a quarterly grain stocks report next week, Wednesday. And so a lot around we just need to be attentive to. As that sell pressure picks up, price counts right now 361, 351, and 345. Really your areas of interest to focus in on here for corn. Upside resistance remains 373 to 380, those last highs we came off of. For the soybean side of things, 985 and 950, the downside price counts. Resistance 1004, around that 1012 area, and then up around 1040. So we'll kind of watch next week's information, see what the harvest progress is. So far, a lot of good yields out there that are being reported here, which we've seen a little bit of negative impact on the basis here at this juncture. Feeder cattle down 195, live cattle down 45, hog market up 227 1/2. On the week, feeders down 55, lives up 22 1/2, hog market up 525. When you look to the cattle, calf trade 106, live base 165 dress. Cutouts were stronger most of the week. Exports were solid. And we're really looking at, for December, the price counts at 113 and 121. So if we can get back up to that first price count at 113 and take it out, that 121 becomes active. That'll be the big focus over the next few weeks, pending cattle on feed report. When you look to the hog market, cash 74.40, cutouts were higher on the week, exports lower versus the last 2 weeks, but still a good export, and all eyes basically on Germany, China, and the impact that could have. Obviously, African swine fever over there expanding. China has cut off any exports from that nation, which could potentially bring some greater business as they're dealing with some lofty pork prices there and limited availability. This has been Jim Emter, Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.